All right.
Greg Erlanger with Easy Sales Team. I just changed your life. Or Command did. How did Command just change your life?
All right. So Command changed my life and our ability to sell because in our marketplace, the MLS service puts this really horrible slideshow, bad music video thing. It's called Property Panorama. And I'm sorry if anyone has that. But anyway, it's forced upon us. And what happens if you go to kw.com or if you go to homes.com or any of the syndicating sites is it pushes this horrible video tour out there, which then is a reflection on my business. Command now, thanks to you, Nick, allows us to take our lifestyle videos and our professionally done videos or something much greater and use that as a link so that now I have a competitive advantage. If you go to kw.com and you look at my listings, you're going to see amazing video tours as opposed to the local MLS's choice of what is a good video tour. There's no competitive difference, and now there is, and you literally have changed our life. I mean, this is a big deal.
You said if this works, you're going to go home and play video games. So I'll use a video game analogy. I took Atari, which is essentially the 3D tour from your MLS, and created PlayStation 27.
Yes,
right?
yes, you did. And thank you for outing me on the video game. That was like a you and I conversation, but now.
I'm all into video games now on my phone, and my wife's like, great, more reason for you to not put it down. So for everyone watching, I'm just going to show, nobody's watching yet, but they will because I'm going to share this. What you do is you go, Greg was getting in trouble by one of the sellers because it had this horrible tour, virtual tour, and he wanted to change it on kw.com to this beautiful video. So I was like, Greg, you shouldn't be getting fired. Let me show you. Let me show you how this works. Go to Command, go to Consumer. When you go to Command, you go to Consumer, and then you click on Site and App Settings, and then you scroll down and see Virtual Tours. And you'll add a virtual tour to your listing, and it will override the crappy virtual tour that's currently in the MLS. All you do is you select the listing that you have, and what was that listing again? Edgewater or something?
Yeah, Edgewater, yeah.
Edgewater, here it is. So we've already added a tour, but Greg, you can see here now there's a little video button, which means you've got a tour. You've got a tour in there. So what we did was we selected and clicked confirm. And when you click confirm, you're then able to throw in any video link that you want. And so what I did was I threw in this Vimeo link, right? And so when I add that tour, and then about 5 or 10 minutes later, once it syndicates throughout the KW ecosystem, when you go to the listing on the kw.com site or your mobile app or your brand new KW site and click virtual tour, now we see that Greg's beautiful Vimeo Vimeo video of the house, this $2 million home, is now up online for consumers to see, and he doesn't have to show that Atari-looking virtual tour that the MLS forces him to use. So, Greg, I'm glad that you're happy.
I'm very happy. Yeah, I'm done. When I'm going home now, I'm done. You added enough value. I've added enough value to my team for the day. I'm literally going to go home and eat junk food and play video games because I'm a grown child, apparently. Thank you for outing me on that.